A large portion of our brain function occurs on a subconscious level. There are many processes that are hidden beyond our direct reach that define who we are and the types of lives that we live. To use the law of attraction deliberately to effect changes in a very distinct way, you must align your mental and emotional forces with your intentions. If the hidden processes just mentioned are saying that you aren't capable of achieving your goals, then your intentions will have very little power to influence your life positively. You must fully believe that you are capable of manifesting what you want in your life, and your brain must embody an identity of a person that aligns with this. We know that our attention must be directed towards a clearly defined goal, but it can become easy to be distracted by what is rather than staying focused on our intentions. We also need a portion of our brain power and its automatic processes working for us to create those goals as our reality. This is where subliminal messages can make a great impact on our manifestation efforts. To understand subliminal messages, it's also important to understand that you have two different types of perception, conscious and subconscious. And although our subconscious minds can be influenced without a prompt being subliminal, subliminal messages can create a large impact on our subconscious minds when we use them intentionally for specific goals. Subliminal messages are stimuli that lie below our threshold of conscious awareness, and the word subliminal literally means below threshold. Because these types of messages fall below the absolute threshold level, or the smallest level of energy required by an external stimulus to be detectable by the physical senses, we will rarely be able to perceive a subliminal message, even if we're looking for it. Subliminal messaging basically means affecting someone's mind with stimulus in such a way that they will not have conscious awareness of it. These types of messages are generally administered in two ways. One, subvisual messages, which are visual cues that are difficult to perceive, and two, subaudible messages, which are low-volume audio cues that are inserted into a louder audio source, such as music. Take a look at these subliminal manipulations from the Subtle Changes contest that was conducted by Worth1000.com to get an idea of how visual subliminals work. In audio form, subliminal messages can be inserted into music in the form of positive affirmations that are not easily detectable. Take a listen to this music to see if you can hear the messages given. It's important to point out that for subliminal messages to influence behavior, a person must already want to do that behavior. Subliminal priming is more used to guide your decision regarding something, but rarely will it make a person do something they don't want to do without long-term exposure. In order to create subliminal messages that are favorable, there are two main factors to keep in mind. Number one, the message should be in the present tense. And number two, the message should be positive rather than the reverse of a negative. In other words, you would say, I am happy, rather than I am no longer sad. You can create these types of messages for yourself and mix them with music. Subliminally inserting positive thoughts related to the achievement of your goal can speak to your subconscious mind in a way that prompts it to stay focused on that goal. If you've ever been in a situation where you want something, but deep down you feel that you can't have it, subliminal messaging can have a positive impact on helping your conscious mind and your subconscious mind align with a new belief that drives you towards its manifestation. The law of attraction says that anything is possible once you believe that it's possible. Your beliefs dictate your thoughts and your emotions, which are the core from which you manifest. It is only our beliefs that offer resistance. And resistance is the only thing that blocks anyone from achieving the results that they are seeking. This is where subliminal messages can make a huge impact. The positive messages gradually rewire new beliefs that align the conscious and subconscious mind with the belief that you are capable of achieving the goal in mind. You can even use terms that teach your mind to believe that you can create anything you wish, and this allows you to achieve your highest manifesting potential. A couple of these terms would be, I have the power to attract whatever I wish into my life, and my mind can bring my desires into existence. The following subliminal messaging is a short clip that I've created with both sub-visual and sub-audio subliminals to do just this. These power subliminals are created to teach your mind to strengthen its belief that you do have the power to create a life that you choose, and to prompt you to take actions that align with that. They will assist you in staying focused on your manifestations and make you more aware and observant of opportunities when they arise. I've also created this as an MP3 and a 30-minute video that you can access from my store. There is a partial list of the subliminal messages given in the description area. You can use this subliminal messaging each day to align your conscious and subconscious mind and to create new beliefs that you are powerful enough to create the reality that you choose. you.